Hey guys, welcome to Wolverine Gaming from server 773, and today in this video I'm gonna explain some patch notes which were recently updated. You can see that in your Bell Systems event patch notes. So you can see what's new in section. There's a starting January 10 Dawn Fund is available. Upgrade your base to earn rewards and power up your progress. The growth fund can be unlocked until January 22. Once unlocked, there is no time limit to complete. If not unlocked by the deadline, it will be closed. Some level 4 decorations now support upgrade split, consume one decoration adds upgrade stats with stage boost unlocking set stages. There is some optimizations also, uh, like officer apartments are paused during server maintenance. The blue hand emoji in chat reaction has been replaced. Doomwalker level are now refreshed. Like after entering season 1 of season, Doomwalker levels will be 200 to 10 to 20 will unlock, and after entering season 2 of season, Doomwalker level 230 to 40 and 250 will unlock. Higher level Doomwalker spawn more frequently over time. Improve reward claim effect for individual point chest in Warzone Duel. Also some optimizations in chat night mode effects. R4 R5 view the member list member far from the alliance assembly point display a red location icon and some big bug fixes. So let's see some of them. Like if you go to the shopping center in here, you can go to the Dawn Fund new section given in here. You can see we can claim all the HQ upgrade rewards from here for common, and if you purchase the pack then you can also claim this legendary rewards. So just click on any of them and you'll collect all the rewards and you can unlock all the rewards from upgrading HQ. Like if you upgrade 26 HQ, you'll get 100 diamonds and so on for 30 level HQs. Okay, so that's the Dawn Fund new upgrade, and as you can see, we got some cool animation for upgrading buildings, like unit are constructing. This is also a fresh new patch. And if you go to the chat alliance chat, you can see some changes are made in alliance chat night mode. So that's really smoothing for eyes. And if you want to react, you can click on the message and you can see the hand emoji, thumbs up emoji has been replaced by this celebration emoji. So there are now two emojis with red heart and the celebration one. Okay, also important for leader, like if you go to the alliance and then go to the members, you can see the red ones which are far away from your alliance point. So you can find them and track them. You can see like we got some away members in here. So that's very useful for alliance leader or R4 R5. So that was some good changes in patch notes, recent patch notes. So that was a very good upgrade or update, I can say. So how do you feel about new patch notes? Comment in the chat box, and if you find this content helpful then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.